Hey guys, I'm Shubhodip, your digital marketing course mentor, and today we are going to see how to connect a Google Analytics account to the Blogger account. Now, in my last video, we have seen how to create a Google Analytics account, but today we are going to see how to connect it. Okay, so before starting the video, I would suggest you to go to the description area. Links of the previous videos are given there. Go and watch those videos, and please subscribe the channel and click on the notification bar so that you can get the notification as soon as I post my videos. So let's start. तो गाइज अभी आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे यार मैंने पिछला वीडियो देखा, गूगल एनालिटिक्स पे अकाउंट क्रिएट किया, फिर भी मेरा व्यूज़ नहीं आ रहा है, क्या मामला है? मामला कुछ नहीं है, सोल्यूशन यहाँ पे है. सो गाइज इफ़ यू वांट to get views, you have to watch this because Google has provided you a bridge and you have forgotten it to connect you because I have not shown you how to connect the bridge, right? So today I'm going to show you how to connect the bridge provided by Google Analytics to your Blogger account so that viewers count will be here. Right now you can see that in the overview page I am also having 0 number of viewers, but I have viewed my website numerous times. So for that you have to go to admin page, and here it will take time to load. Now here you can see that account, properties and views. So under view, tracking info is given, so click on tracking info. You will get a tracking code. Click on that tracking code, and yeah, it's taking time to load. So this one is your tracking ID. So just copy it here, copy it and go to your Blogger account, not your website. Go to your Blogger account, go to settings, go to others, and here you will get Google Analytics analytic web property ID. So go there and paste it. Yeah, and don't forget, after pasting it, don't forget to save your settings. Each time you do anything with your Blogger account, don't forget to save it, otherwise it will not save anything. So yeah, it's saved. Now get back to your analytics account, and here you can see that status: no data received in the past 48 hours. Send test traffic. For testing purpose, send a traffic to your website. And yeah, as soon as you send a traffic to your website, your website will come in front of you in this small page to confirm that yeah, this is my website. Yes, so as you can see that the website is opened up in front of us. So Google has sent a traffic, a crawler, you can say a traffic to your website. And right now let's go to real time and then overview. So here you can see yes, as you can see right now 1. So Google has sent one traffic, that's why it's showing 1. As soon as you go to your own website and just scroll these things, go to read more. Now when we are reading some article and spend some time, don't just click it and go to the analytics page to see that whether you have got a user or not. Just spend a little amount of little seconds, I mean at least spend 10 to 20 seconds in that particular page, or in that particular post, in a post or in different posts. Right now if you go to analytics page, you will see, I think you will see 2. So if you refresh it, let's see whether it's showing 2 or right now it's showing 1. Right now active user on the site is 1. होनी भी नहीं चाहिए 2, क्योंकि उसके पीछे जो रीज़न है मैं आपको बताता हूँ. One IP address will have only one time view in this Google Analytics. So Google Analytics ने मेरा IP address देख लिया है, और अगर मैं 5-6 बार विजिट करूँगा तो वो काउंट नहीं होगा. यहाँ पे कि 3 बार मैंने विजिट किया है, या 3 ग्राफ्स तो दिखा देगा, page views, you can see that I have visited 3 pages, so you can see the 3-time graph. But why it's not showing me that I have visited? If I right now, if I go and visit here to this page, now I'm in the analytics page and I will visit there and this in my website page. So right now it will show 2, but no, it will not show you 2, it will still show 1. And the reason behind that I will show you. Let me just go to that page first. So if I go to the page, and here you will again go, if I go to analytics, it will still show 1 user. Why? Because see here in the page view column, the graphs, can you see the bar graphs? Yeah, I have given only few seconds of gap in between these two number of visitings, but here I have not given any gap. So why the gap is important? If you give half an hour gap and then again go to the website, then it will count second user because of the bounce rate theory. So what is bounce rate? Bounce rate is basically number of times a user is coming but giving a certain amount of gap, which is if a user, now if you have opened a website in your mobile and went for some other work, it is open there, but you are not doing any activity, then a bounce rate will take place after 10 minutes. It will automatically take place after 10 minutes, and then again it will count. See, as I have left for this one, so you can see the gap right now in between these two graphs. You can see a gap, so that is called the bounce rate. But if the gap increase, then it will not count the user. Again, if I open the website after half an hour, then it will show me 2 users. Okay, one more thing, if you open your website from mobile, now you can see that I have opened from desktop, that's why it is showing 100% desktop. Current page, here in the tab, AMD Ryzen 9 is open, active page is this one. Now if I change the page, then it will also get changed. So basically this is the main thing. So after connecting with Google Analytics with Blogger, then only you can see all these type of data: source active users, keyword active users, and active page also. Now here in the audience section, you can also see, here in this section you can also see that what type of audience are coming, right? Which page I was seeing, for how much was my bounce rate, it will show everything. Yeah, active, here you can also see that 1 user, but I have not given any bounce rate for this analytics to count. So if I open the website and go out for something for half an hour, then bounce rate will start counting. If new users come, new user will see. So basically if I left this analytics and website as it is for 1 to 2 hours, then only this counts will come in front of me: pages and session, pages, views, number of sessions. So basically I will make a detailed video on each and everything, and also with this left hand side panel. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.